So, like I was scared of, the roads are icy. Like proper icy. Like, because the snow fell and then the rain fell, and so the roads are proper icy. And besides the ride to work today, I have a long drive, like a couple of hours drive to Saskatoon. I'm scared. From the bus that blazed over right here, so the bus not gonna see. The bus driver not gonna see me in here, so I feel. But anyway, hello Monday. Hope you guys are having a better start to your day than I am. I'm freezing. Good morning, folks. So, yesterday was a tiring day, a very tiring day. So we came down to Saskatoon, but on Sunday there was that snowfall. And the first thing that happened is in the morning the highways were closed, and then when they finally opened, like, yay, we're on the way. But there's a stretch of the highway that was literally, you were driving on ice. So you had to call like 2 kilometers per hour some parts. So I guess I hear the ride is typically 2 hours and something. It took us about 4 hours to get here. And then we worked all the way up until late last night, and I now have to get up and get ready. We'll start my day. We're heading back today. So I'm in Saskatoon. I'm a little bit sad because we're in Saskatoon and I'm really not able to see because it's so short. I'm really not able to see the city. From what I can tell, it's more expensive than Regina, and we knew that, like, population inside they're bigger than Regina, but I wish I could see more of it. But I guess we'll make a trip out of it at some point, maybe in the summer next year, because it's cold as hell anyway. So good morning. Get up now. Ugh. Have a good day. Baby boy, you stay on my mind. You feel my fantasy. Hi. Notice anything? Notice anything? That's right. Girl got a car. Finally. Look at God. Look at God. He might not come when you want him, but he's always on time. Because it's only God who I made it only have to stand up and have the snow at the bus stop one time. So like, in that one time, to be honest, I questioned my whole life. I was going out of town, so I had like a big overnight bag. The snow and the ice was on the road, and I come out and I hear the cars on the ice, and the ice is literally crunching. And after I come off the first bus, because I take 2 buses to go to work, after I come off of the first bus, I may walk to the next bus stop. I hustling because I don't want the bus left me. And there's ice slapping me in the face, and I'm so cold, and I have this big overnight bag. And I just question my entire life choices. I'm like, girl, you could have done want to be a housewife, but this is what you want to do. Like, you could have done one good and be a housewife, but this is what you want to do. And luckily, so the next day I was away, so I didn't have to do the whole bus routine thing, and I got the car the next day. So God is good. Girl, I have a car. No more missed buses. When I want to go do something, when I need to go do something, I don't have to pull up an Uber. I don't have to get on the wrong bus. But this is great. Also, I wanted to mention Mana hurt me, but this gosh is right soon. I also wanted to mention that so October is basically done, and in about 3 weeks, because I came on the 23rd of November, so in about 3 weeks I will have been in Canada for a solid year. And I'm not even gonna lie, it's been a hard year. It's been a hard year being away from my family. It's been a hard year doing all these, things, and telling myself that yes, it's for the betterment of my family and everything else. So in the end, it's going to be worth it. But I've learned so much in the last year. I've grown so much in the last year. And the things that I've been able to do in the last year, I couldn't do them in Jamaica. When I put my mouth a ground and talk, I couldn't go through school, finish school, relocate, get new. Listen, when I came to Regina, so I came to Regina in May, like end of May, June, and I got a job offer, and that's why I came. So I got the offer in Regina, and I, as you guys know, I researched the province and everything else, and I came. And a few weeks after, the job didn't work out, so I was job hunting again, right? And that was hard, like just being here, being by myself, long days, just dishing out applications left, right, and center, going on interviews. And then eventually I got another job, and it's like, yeah, girl, you're on your way. Like, I'm on my way to making things work. And I'm so grateful, because I don't know, I'm grateful. I'm grateful at what I've been able to do so far. I'm excited for what's to come. And 1 year, girl, not bad at all. Guys, it's just the only thing we need now. Oh no, the only thing we need now is for my boobles and my tibs to be in the same space with me. After that, you can't chat to me when my family day. But probably not even see me. But not even an eye and talk. Probably not even see me when I get my over rub up. And probably not even see me. But I tell no lie. But yeah, girl, feel good. I feel good. I can see how in all honesty, if we're gonna be honest, in my plan that I did have in my head before I came, this process was a little longer, but I'm not complaining. Thanking God for everything He has done, you know, praising Him for my blessings and all of that, and hold on my head and come through with the plan. Girl, a plan. So I want to encourage somebody. If it's hard, just think about where you go. Just think about what you need to do, and hold on your head. Come through. You gonna be alright. You're gonna be alright. Just do what you need to do. Make sure say you have a plan. Make sure say you put your plan in action. Make sure say you do the work. It will work out. And that's all from me today. So yeah, I'm off. So it's Friday and it's a nice day. It's 4 degrees. Nice day. What am I gonna do? I don't see, like a day like this would be nice to just show with my man, but the man not there. The man decide for the Jamaica. I like this myself. I don't like this for myself, but the plan continues. The plan continues to be in the works. It's a bright, sunny day, 4 degrees, but bright and sunny nonetheless, which is more than enough of them days this past week has been. So, yeah. I'm gonna go stretch out. I'm not telling me to stretch out. I'm gonna eat my more ramen left. I'm gonna eat that for breakfast. And my coffee maker is broken. It's broken. So I have one of the old ones that you put the coffee pot in. Cause me love my good brewed coffee. I love a good brew, right? The jar broke. Like when I wash it, it did bounce up on the side of the sink, and with the teeth crack, and did I use it same way for like 2 weeks because it was leaking, but it wasn't leaking enough not that it could have used. Like, you know, them crack the way it's cracking up, but it works same way. So that's what happened. And then over the weekend, me what scammer them rude. Them call me. Them rude that thing. Anyway, I bounce it up on the sink again. In at the same spot. I'm hear the crack. And once I look on it, I say, alright. You know, fully break. But it crack enough that it not go in the water. But from the first crack, I've been looking at pots on Amazon. Like, alright, maybe I can buy. So it's one of those ones where the top kind of push up. The top is like high, so it push up the filter part, so you put the coffee in her. So I can just like put down my cup and it do it. So me I look up the pot. The pots are like $30, like $30 odd. I'm not that. The whole machine for $60. If me did pay $60, I'm buy the sauce pot for $30. That I'm not like that. So I've been getting coffee at work. This morning I got Starbucks, and I'm thinking about what to do about my coffee because girl need coffee. But anyway, as of right now, I'm gonna check out, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. It's actually boiler for you. Feel nice though. I'm not telling like. I wonder if this means say it's one of two things. As either I'm being brainwashed like everybody else, or it really feel different. But today nice for true. It's nice for true. And I'm going to spend it curled up on the couch, maybe watch some Netflix. What else is there? Just that.
These skies have a different light. Why noise that keeps me up at night? promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard. You know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home. I'm coming home. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause the cold air is calling and my head's recalling the moment that I was convinced. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard.